Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, that are high demand, and they all revolve around one mini sub niche. Now, you could create a combination of low, medium, and high content books using these keywords and utilize them that way. That is one strategy. So just before we get started, I'd like to remind you that we do daily profitable Amazon KDP keywords here on the channel. So if it's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, I'm using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of the keywords on this channel. So if you'd like to do that same keyword research and you'd like to follow me step by step on this strategy, then go ahead and have a look at the video that I have linked below in the description below this video. You will find a link to a video that will take you talking about how to use the 4 free Chrome extensions correctly. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day. Our first keyword for the day is 101 Black investors and their inventions. Now this is part 2 of the African American sub niches that I've done. You can check part 1 linked in the video description below. Now here we have a super low total results of 9 and a really good keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives us number 9, categorizing this keyword as a great niche. So this is number 9, is the highest on the scale in terms of the keyword niche score that you can access on Amazon Scout Pro. Coming to the average bestseller rank, I do understand that it is high, but this is something for you to either utilize this keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots or create a book about 101 Black inventors and their inventions, and then leave it and move on to the next niche. That will allow your portfolio to diversify to other different niches and other different topics, and you never know when it will sell. And I highly advise you to promote your books on Pinterest, either for free or using the advertisements, Pinterest ads. I personally do it for free. It's been working amazing for me, and I'm going to share with you my journey in the upcoming videos. So this has a bestseller rank of 974,376. Yet again, if you do not want to embark on this keyword, there are 2 other keywords that are connected that I will share with you in today's video, so stay tuned. I highly advise you to create a book on this keyword, put in as much effort as you can, and then leave it and create more books that way. So we have the average reviews of 664, average price of $15.79. So this keyword is the kind of keywords where you would create a high content book, preferably sticking to your promise of 101 Black inventors, and giving a simple bio. You could sub niche according to whether you want it to be female Black inventors, male Black inventors, whether you want to create the book for kids, whether you want to create it for adults, whether you want the book to be specifically based on different children age groups. That way the content will differ, and it will really help to cut through that average bestseller rank being a little bit too high, if that is a concern for you. So here, scrolling down, we do have a couple of really good bestsellers. This one, for example, is utilizing this wonderful keyword 101 Black inventors and their inventions. This book right over here, published in 2020, is utilizing this wonderful keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots. It's not mentioned in the title or in the subtitle. It is used in the 7 keyword slots, and that is why it is ranking under this keyword on the 3rd results, and it is currently approximately selling around 60 copies per month, generating around 843 American dollars. We also have a couple of books also that are utilizing this wonderful keyword. Now this is a second example, Black inventors, 15 inventions that changed the world, biographies for kids, and it is having a bestseller rank of 9,712. There are no advertisements running, and they're utilizing as part of the 7 keyword slots. It is currently approximately selling 390 pieces per month, coming to 13 pieces per day, generating around $909 per per month. So here we go. We've got 3 amazing bestsellers and even more just on the first page of this keyword. So I personally wouldn't be too intimidated by the bestseller rank being quite high. I would utilize this as part of the 7 keyword slots or create a book dedicated titled the same exact title. So now let us head to the second keyword for the day, and it is African American books for teens 12 to 16 girls. Beautiful long tail keyword that has great profitability. First of all, we have a good keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon's Cat Pro Chrome extension. Also, the total results are 348, which is less than 1,000. Average bestseller rank is within that 300,000 range, and it is currently sitting at an average of 388,887. Average reviews 805. Average price is at $10.52. So we have what we need to get started. What kind of books are we creating? We are open to creating medium and high content books, whether that is activity books, whether that is journals, gratitude journals, whether that is coloring books also, or specifically book to educate African American teens between the ages of 12 to 16 and empower them with their culture, with their the heroes, African American heroes. That's something that we could also sub niche to. And we have also the age group of the girls, which is really important. They're between the ages of 12 to 16, so that's something to pay attention to when you are going to, for example, sites like Creative Fabrica and diving into the different graphic styles that way. So that was the second keyword for the day. Also, the third and final keyword for the day is also connected to African American. The third keyword for the day is a 2024 African American monthly wall calendar, and it has a total results of 188, which is amazing and good to see. It is under 1,000. Average bestseller rank is also under 300,000, and it is within that 100,000 range, which is also a good indication. And it is currently averaging 122,159, an average reviews of 153, and an average price of $12.21. We also have a really good keyword niche score by Amazon's Cat Pro Chrome extension, which has given us a keyword niche score of number 8. Now number 9 is the highest on the scale. I am personally happy with number 8, and it beautifully complements all this beautiful juicy data that we have right over here. Total results under 1,000, average bestseller rank within that 100,000. So this results, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the lack of keyword niche score given by Titans, because it does not support this beautiful data that we have here, and instead we are relying on Cat Pro to provide us with the keyword niche score. So highly recommend you to utilize this keyword. I know that Amazon KDP does not allow you to create a wall calendar style, but we could kind of work around that by creating an 8.5 times 11 inches book that is about 2024 that revolves around African American. It will be a monthly calendar, so that way anyone that wants to use it, it will be priced slightly lower than the rest of the books. That's a choice up to you whether you decide to go with that pricing strategy